Setting up a WordPress site? There are two main paths to consider: manual installation or using Softaculous. Each method has its own perks and challenges, so understanding the differences can help make the best choice for individual needs. Manual installation gives users more control over the setup process, allowing for a tailored experience. It involves several steps. First, downloading the latest version of WordPress from the official website. Next, the files need to be uploaded to the web server using an FTP client. This can be a bit tricky for those unfamiliar with file transfers, but it's manageable with a little guidance. After that, creating a MySQL database in the hosting control panel is essential. This database will store all the site's content, so it's crucial to keep track of the database name, username, and password. Once the database is created, the WP config file needs to be edited to connect WordPress to the database. This step is vital for ensuring everything works smoothly. Finally, navigating to the website's URL will bring up the WordPress installation screen, where users can follow prompts to complete the setup. While this method may seem daunting, it offers a rewarding sense of accomplishment and a deeper understanding of how WordPress operates. On the other hand, Softaculous is a game changer for those who prefer a more straightforward approach. This tool is often bundled with web hosting packages and automates the installation process. With Softaculous, users simply log into their cPanel, find the Softaculous icon, select WordPress, and follow the prompts. In just a few clicks, the site is up and running. This method is perfect for beginners who may feel overwhelmed by the technical aspects of manual installation. However, while Softaculous is quick and easy, it does come with some limitations. Users might find fewer customization options compared to manual installation. For those who want to tweak every detail of their setup, this could feel restrictive. Additionally, Softaculous relies on the hosting provider to offer the tool, so it's essential to check if it's available. When comparing the two methods, speed and efficiency are significant factors. Manual installation can take longer, especially for those unfamiliar with the process. It's like baking a cake from scratch, satisfying but time-consuming. Softaculous, however, is like using a cake mix. It's quick and straightforward. Ultimately, the choice between manual installation and Softaculous boils down to personal preference and technical comfort level. Beginners or those seeking a hassle-free setup will likely lean towards Softaculous. In contrast, experienced users who enjoy having full control might prefer the manual route. Regardless of the chosen method, both paths lead to a successful WordPress site. Whether opting for the hands-on approach or the streamlined process, the journey of building a website is an exciting one. Happy building, and may the best method suit the needs and skills of each user. WebZnoogie does offer Softaculous. If you need assistance with web hosting, please consider WebZnoogie. They offer a team of professionals that can build and host your website for an affordable price.